So hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to connect DJI Mic 2 transmitter with your smartphone via Bluetooth and without using your DJI Mic 2 receiver. So to do that, first we will take this transmitter. Here you can see there is a green light is glowing. Now we will hold this record button for 3 seconds and you will see that green has become blue. Okay, now we will hold this button for 3 seconds and at the same time we will open the Bluetooth on our smartphone. Here you can see the DJI Mic 2 is showing. Now let's connect it. Now tap here and now it is connected. But make sure when you shoot any video with the smartphone, please don't use the default camera app. Download another camera app and shoot on that app. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.